Hello again. I wanted to show you the sound of this Colascione before I send it. I can't really play myself, but I can show you the sound. Usually it's used for making bass patterns that are repeated and people improvise on top of that. And also the articulation is such that you can do which is very interesting for intricate basses and for improvised bass lines also. So this is it, the Colascione. Off it goes to America. See you in the next video. Goodbye.